Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning Tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to add your YouTube channel on Facebook profile. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To add YouTube channel on your Facebook profile, go to your browser and browse facebook.com. And then click on your profile icon and name on upper left corner. Then click on About tab, scroll down, click on Contact and Basic Info, and here under Websites and Social Links you will find Add a Social Link. Click on Add a Social Link and click on Add a Social Link again. Now collect your YouTube channel name. This one is my YouTube channel name. Just collect the name and paste it here, and you will find a drop down menu here. Click on the drop down and select YouTube. Now click on save. The YouTube channel has been added on my Facebook profile. Now I am going to check. Click on channel name. The YouTube channel is opening successfully. This is the easiest way to add YouTube channel on Facebook. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.